Going to give you a quick little tour around the grounds here at Aulani before everyone wakes up, so I'm not intruding on people's pool time. But there is a lazy river that I'll get you a view from above in just a few minutes. It goes around the property. They have the single ring floats and the double ring floats. Lots of poolside seating. Shower areas all around the park. This is the kiddie play area. When it's turned on, there's lots of water features that are spraying and pouring water down. A little Minahoonie. This is one of the areas where you pick up your towels and pool wristbands for the day. A large volcano there that is actually two water slides. One that you ride a tube and one you just slide. More poolside seating. Another entrance into the lazy river. Beautiful property. Here are more of the single floats and the double floats. Another entrance into the lazy river. You can click on the link above to see a point of view from the ride through the lazy river. These stairs here lead up to the two water slides. Little covey stations located around the property that you can store your items in if you don't have a chair to leave things on. This whole little, quote, valley is surrounded on both sides by the resort itself. The ceremonial house, or guest check-in and lobby on the other side. This is the little Rainbow Reef observatory area where you can actually look in if you don't actually want to snorkel and see the reef and the fish. Of course, the kiddie play area over the top there. If you do decide to do the snorkeling in the protected reef here on property, it is a little more cost effective if you buy the full package of your stay. I think it's like $10 difference from just one day or your complete stay. We'll check on that again in just a minute. We'll get over to the little check-in booth right over there. The Lava Shack, the snack bar area. Restrooms are in there. More pool seating and an actual pool with a zero entry area. A couple more of the little snack shacks. Another little poolside restaurant and bar across the way there. Zero entry at this area of the pool. This is one of the adult-only hot tub infinity pools. And there are two levels. There's a level down below where he's cleaning this morning. And then the beach just beyond. More shower stations. Another one of the pool towel and wristband sections, and more cubbies. Infinity pool with a grotto. Lots of poolside seating, but these do fill up quickly. While we were here, the poolside seating went fast. Always seating down the beach area down there though. Another restroom facility and some examples of the cabanas that you can rent. There's a little refrigerator, a lock area, ceiling fan and TV. Comes with this little couch area. Of course the curtain would be up between them there, and the two chairs out front. Little poolside bar that does coffee and other drinks.